Okay, at first you're gonna take a hand towel like this. And put it backside up. And take two corners from the opposite side and put them together. These two pointed corners will be the cat's ears, right here, like these. And then from here, take the bottom and fold it up about to a quarter. Fold up once again. And you're gonna roll it up. I started off from this side because it had a tag on it. Roll it all the way up, but not too tight. And you're gonna tuck in the end. Tuck it in right here. And there you have a towel kitty with his tail wrapped around him. I think this is so cute as it is. And it kind of reminds me of Simon's cat. You can stop right here, but I wanted to put a bow on it. I chose a purple ribbon because the towel was purple. And this bell was from cat toy. I detached it when I was making Christmas tree ornaments. Put the ribbon through a hole on the bell. You can use a bobby pin or something like that, but I was too lazy to get it. I'm just twisting it to make it pointier. I cut the ribbon in about 24 inches or 60 centimeters long. I moved the bell to about 1/3 of the ribbon, like this. Wrap it around the towel kitty. Adjust the bell to the center and tie a single knot. I always bring the left over the right to do so. And here, make a cross like this and bring the bottom up to the right. make a loop there. Then bring down the top ribbon and it goes under there. And there you have a pretty bow. Trim off the ravel. And there you have it. You can give it a pine needle whiskers if you want to. Just make sure you keep the pine needles away from a cat if you have one, or 2 or 3. Or you can use rosemary to be safe. Now I found these at a dollar store. I don't even know what these are, but I thought I could use these for the eyes. Put them in crisscross like this and bind them together. Cut off the excess.